Hi everyone. Okay, so I am going to not only have a cross stitch unboxing videos, I am going to have diamond painting videos because I have gotten where I want to do diamond painting. So we're going to start off with what I got from Amazon. I got this stuff from Amazon. Oh, look at their little wax. Okay, so I don't know what I'm buying. I am just winging it, right? So let me just show you what I got. So I have roped my husband into doing diamond painting with me, and I'm excited about that. Mainly because I don't want to do it on my own, so I actually asked him and he said okay. You know, that was fine with him. He doesn't care. So this is a little thing. Oh, look at how nice this says. So I don't know if I bought anything cheap. I don't know, you know, anything about these things, but I got them on Amazon. They have the little, which I thought I needed, which are these things. But let me show you. So I don't know if you guys know diamond painting. Are these things not good to have, the plastic ones? Am I better off with something different? I don't know, but they were cheap enough. And then I guess this is the wax. So cute. So that's one set. So that I got that one for my husband. Or me, it doesn't matter actually. We're going to be playing together, so he can grab whichever one he wants. We do puzzles together. So let me tell you a little bit while I'm opening this. My husband and I do puzzles together, and I love puzzles. I love puzzles so much, but I get addicted and obsessed, and so I can't do them on my own because I will sit there and do a 1,000-piece puzzle in one night, and that is not good for me because I have other crafts I want to do. So I really wanted to do diamond painting, but I figured it would be an obsession also like puzzles. So I asked my husband if we could take a break from puzzles and to do diamond painting. Look at this, is Halloween. It has Halloween sequins in it. How cute. So I got two of these. So let me know if what you know about diamond painting, if the plastic is not good, okay? And then I showed this in my haul video for Hobby Lobby, but I figured I'd throw it in here also. I got these boxes from Hobby Lobby, jewelry storage and diamond painting. Can you guys tell me, are any of these good or not good, or what do you think about these? So I got a few of those. And let's get to the diamond painting. I got the next two from Amazon. Yeah, so this is a whole, well, except for the storage things, I got from, everything is from Amazon. So next video I will make sure it's out of the plastic because I don't like listening to the opening of things. So, but it's my first one and I wasn't sure what I'm doing. So I do know these have to go in there. Then you do the, you know, the numbers and the letters and all that stuff. So I'm prepared for that. So we were watching videos. So is this supposed to look like this, you guys? Do you guys see what it is? It says spooky. You know how I love gnomes. If you know me, you know I love gnomes. And let's see if that will show up. I don't know if it will or not. There it goes. So it's gnomes with the truck, pumpkins, and then the gnomes themselves. So it's a 30 by 30, and then these are the things that come with it, I guess. So this is a little, are we going to have like tons of these by the time we're done? Because I will honestly tell you guys, I just ordered a butt ton from Temu and AliExpress. So I am like all over this. So that's why I decided to do unboxing videos with this, because with diamond painting, because I have bought so many of them now, and I'll be having fun with it. This is another one I bought from Amazon. It wasn't supposed to be here until September 1st through the 7th. And so when it came today, I was like, oh, nice. So I have a third bathroom that is Maleficent themed because it's a half bath. And I wanted this so we could frame it and put it in there on the wall. And so it is the Maleficent one. Now I do see, I can't remember her name, but she does a lot of diamond painting. I see her use a scraper. She picks this up and then she scrapes it flat. Is that what you're supposed to do? Please, anyone who has any diamond painting experience, please let me know any tips or tricks, because I really want this to be fun and I want to do this with my husband. You know, he's my best friend and we do things together, and so I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to that the most. So, but I want to make sure we're prepared for it. Oh, do you see her? She looks awesome. She looks amazing. Oh, there she is right here. And then there's the dragon. So I wish they had like cross-stitching the pictures of what they are. But what I'll do is I'll come back with the finish. I'll show you like a finishing, because I do it for my cross-stitch and my floss tube. So I'll do that on a separate video too. When we finish, I'll show you. Or when I show you more diamond paintings, I'll show you the finish of them. How about that? Yeah, I'll do that. Look at how awesome she looks. Oh my gosh, you guys, I want to frame this so bad. So anyways, that was it. So this is all from Amazon except for the boxes. These are the colors. Do you guys want to see the colors? I don't think the colors matter, right? To show you, because diamond dots are all diamond dots, right? So I don't know. Let me know if you want me to open up these things or not. So, but let me open up, just because it's weird how every company is different. Every company is, oh, look at, see, yeah, look at, these are all baggies, individual baggies. So that's interesting. Don't lose those, I guess. But this is what I wanted to see. So is this like a legend also, but a legend in paper instead of on the chart, or what? But look at, there's, oh wow, I can't wait. Okay, so I don't, yeah. Alright guys, that was it for diamond painting. So excited. We're going to start one tomorrow. So first one ever. So hopefully he has fun. Please cross your fingers that he has fun and does it with me. Alright guys, because seriously, I bought like 40 of them. Alright guys, take care. Bye.